What's good with y'all boys, man? It's KJ Lee, and I'm back with a vid. So, look, I know it's been a minute, bro. I've been very busy. I have another channel. I've been fucking studying, bat testing, trying to do this shit, bro. But it's gonna be a little update vid for y'all boys, man. You know what I'm saying? I really fuck with y'all boys, man. Y'all showed me a lot of support on my last vid. That shit at like 2.6K. So I really fuck with y'all boys. Y'all boys been showing a lot of support. Before we get into this shit, though, you know what I'm saying? Look, make sure you roll up a good blunt. We finna be going over an update, bro. Make sure you hit the sub button. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the vid. Alright, let's get to the vid. Alright, so I'm gonna be telling y'all boys everything that's been going on. I'm gonna be making a hotbox session soon, literally talking about everything. But I'm just gonna give y'all information on what my trading's been doing, what I've been doing and shit. So, like I told y'all recently, and like 2 vids ago, I told y'all boys I was done with courses, right? Like, and I'm dead ass, like, and I feel like I've been getting better strives since I've been done with courses and shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, like, I feel like I've been striving more. And right now, I'm really break even. Like, on my last, on the last combine I took, I was break even. And I was just using supply and demand. I was doing some on the 1 minute late in the combine. Like, I started using the 1 minute again. Because at first, I stopped on the 1 minute because I was like, bro, you're not good on the 1 minute. But then I just started randomly taking trades on the 1 minute. Let me show y'all. Like I was telling y'all before, I was getting 1-to-1s and shit. But then I was just like, bro, I don't know why. I think I went on like on a little breaking spree. And I was like, bro, here we go again, bro. Here comes the bullshit, bro. So then I don't know why. I just randomly was like, you know what, bro? You know what I should do? Let me get in on the sniper entry on the 1 minute. Cause I was just finna start getting aggressive on supply and demand instead of waiting for rejection. But I was like, let me go on the 1 minute, and I just randomly did it during live trading. So I just randomly did it. And what I was doing at first was, alright, so say like there's a 5 minute supply, right? I'll just go on the 1 minute and look for a 1 minute supply in there. And if it hit the 5 minute, I'll just wait on 1 minute rejection and look for a 1 minute supply. So I'll either do that, and I was going for 1-to-1 first, like for my first TP, and then I'll put my runner at liquidity. So I was just doing it. I don't know why I didn't mark up the risk to rewards, but they were definitely like way bigger. Like when them hoes were getting hit, I was like, bro, what the fuck? Because I forgot how fast and how much you can get out the 1 minute. I ain't gonna lie. So I started winning on that some more, and it just kept going up and down. So this weekend I got a free redo on my Forex fund because I was break even. But I'm finna bat test the fuck out this shit, like just pure supply and demand, bro. Like I like liquidity grabs too and shit, but I feel like in this stage of my journey, I just need to focus on what I'm good at, what I can pull off in live trading, bro. You know what I'm saying? So pretty much, I was just using, here's another example. We're in a 5 minute supply right here, right? This is the bigger box. So I went down to the 1 minute and I just saw the 1 minute supply. And I was like, all right, bro, let me just get into this bit. The same thing here. 5 minute, we go into the 1 to get an even tighter stop. And we aim for 1 minute liquidity. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes I'm trying to work on like, if that's just 1 minute liquidity, like what would happen if like I was just trying to, my second TP was for like 5 minute liquidity or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but that's basically what I've been trying to do, bro. And I remember I put in the chat the other day, I was like, hey, I started using the EMA some. And I know I started using the indicator. When somebody was in there, it was like, man, take that shit off, bro. But like I said, it's so many discussions to talk about this trading shit, bro. But my thing is, like, when it comes to indicators and shit, like, as long as you don't abuse that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? As long as you don't abuse that shit, like how I used to be with the fib, like I'll be like, oh fuck all the price action, bro. The fib doing this. Like, you're not supposed to do that with indicators, bro. The only reason I got the EMA on is so it prevents me from taking bullshit setups. Like, I'm not like, all the EMA's crossing, bro, we're buying. Like, no, like, I'm not doing that shit. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna lie, I know Doyle had kind of put me on to that because in one of his webinars, he was showing how he used the EMAs to get in aggressive entries. And I was bat testing, I'm like, damn, when the EMA is not online and you take that aggressive entry, bro, that shit do be breaking a lot. I ain't gonna lie. So I really got it from him. So shout out to bro. But I just been using it just like, all right, I'm trying to get profitable, nigga. That's the thing niggas don't understand. Like, when we're trying to be profitable, bro, you gotta put all that ego and shit to the side, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I don't know what you have an ego and shit for if you're not profitable, bro. That's how I look at it, bro. At the end of the day, like, we're trying to make money. So just cause one trader said that, oh, you're trash if you use indicators, now you're just, oh, I'm not using indicators, bro, for that. And I'm not saying, like, I still feel like you shouldn't be trading just off pure indicators. And if you got more than 3, like, you kind of wilding, bro. But at the end of the day, like, if it works for you and you are literally getting money consistently with it, just keep doing that shit. Like, the same thing to the risk reward. If someone is getting 1-to-1s mainly, some people be like, oh, bro, he's a shit trader, bro. Niggas go for 1-to-5 and shit. But the whole goal here is to make money. You know what I'm saying? That's why I put my pride and my ego to the side. I remember I was like, bro, I'm not touching indicators, bro. Like, I'm having my chart completely 100% naked. You know what I'm saying? But I was just like, shit, I'm finna see what this shit talking about. If it can help me become profitable, nigga, I'm putting that shit on. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? On me. But yeah, I'm mainly just using supply and demand because I feel like I can see the market just better that way. It's easier for me. And I stopped using fair value gaps because, like I said, like, I can't really use supply and demand and fair value gaps, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Because, like, they're not the same thing at all. But, like, if you just use supply and demand, it's still gonna touch. And, like, it's kind of hard to explain, bro. Like, but that's basically what I've been doing, bro. And I was break even. And I feel like since I got break even this time, it was still kind of like a bigger stepping stone because, all right, so now you're not fucking losing every single time. And I know some shit that I have to do. Like, I wasn't using the same risk. That's what kind of fucked me up. Like, and I really should have been up more, but I made a mistake. Like, I had a sell limit twice, and I forgot I had them hoes, and it got me in and I bricked. You know what I'm saying? And I wasn't using the same risk management. That was my problem, bro. Like, on some setups, I'd be like, oh, I'm finna risk 2% on this shit. Brick. And I'm like, all right, bro. And then it'd be like, you get caught in that cycle. See, that's the thing. If you want to risk more to pass faster, like, if you gonna risk 2% per trade, bro, you gonna have to stay with that shit. I ain't gonna lie, like, because number one, and this is what happened to me, bro, what fucked me up. I was going on a bricking spree because I was risking 2% per trade. And it didn't start off like that. Like, this is how I got into a cycle. And this is how I got out of it, too. So, I ended up risking 1% the whole time. I think I had got my shit to like 4-point-some%. And then I risked 2% one trade on accident. And I bricked. And so then I got into the mindset like, damn, I just lost 2%. And usually, if I'm risking 1%, you lose 2% that day, you're done. So I was just like, damn. But now I'm going to have to risk 2% to get that bit back. And I'm pretty sure we all know how that went. Big bricks were made. So I lost a whole 4%. I think I was down like 4. And I was like, damn. Just because you started risking more on them setups, bro, like, and it happened because I accidentally risked 2, like, on the magic keys, bro. Like, I forgot on that certain pair I had 2%. I think it was like SPX. It was the S&P accidentally did that. So then I was like, damn, bro. So then I ended up going back down to 1%. And I was using 1% in my current account, so it wasn't even really 1%. Like, it was like 0.8. And that's when I started using the 1 minute, and I was getting bigger risk rewards, and I came all the way back. Like, not even risking a full 1%. So I'm just like, damn, bro, like, I can't risk 2%, bro. Like, I gotta keep the same risk every single time because you can win a whole bunch. Oh, I'm finna risk more on this setup, brick, and now you're behind. You know what I'm saying? So that shit really kind of fucked me up. So when I go into this next combine, since they gave me a free redo, like, I'm really gonna use the 1 minute still. Like, the 1 minute is really like that. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's really like that. And I'm trying to get all my data this weekend. And my birthday was just yesterday, so I was kind of a little teed up. But the next day, I still got to make these vids. I still got to keep grinding, bro, so I can get myself in a better position in life, bro. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is just like a little update for y'all boys, bro. This is the end of the vid, bro. I'm going to have some more vids coming up soon, bro. It's just like, it's kind of hard to balance like 2 channels because I'm trying to go hard at that other shit too. But like, when I drop the hot box session, bro, like y'all gonna know all this shit. I gotta re-up on some more gas, though. I ain't gonna lie. But you know, I fuck with all y'all. If you stay to the end of the vid, bro, thank you for your support and all that shit, bro. And we out there, bit, man, gang.